So you need to press function button and the power button all at once together in order to go to P settings, and then you can change the P setting with the function button. So we can see there is no P4, which is speed related, so we need to go P1. We're gonna keep pressing the brake and hold the function button. We'll go to P4 and then we're gonna select P4. There are 4 settings: 20, 25, 40 and FF. FF is the unlimited one, which is like around 48, 50. We're gonna select it, and we're gonna change the P again so I can show you the motor settings. So this is on back, dual and front, whichever you want to select. You have to select from here. So for example, if I want to select front or back or dual, it's up to you. So this time I'm just going with the dual. I select it, I go back and turn off. This is how you can save your speed settings.